Hi everyone, this is Dawn, and I am here to tell you reason number 2 why you should attend my Kickstart Your Vegan Business workshop. And that is that every successful business has a strategy behind it. And if you do not have a business strategy, you might be leaving money on the table. In fact, I guarantee you're leaving money on the table if you haven't yet put time and energy and thought and work into creating a strategy and learning from it and iterating on it as you grow your business. And so, if you have that strategy from the beginning and you have a way to test it and continue to refine it, then you are going to be so much better set up to create your business and keep it sustainable in the long run. And even if you have an existing business, I guarantee you, if you haven't put the time and effort into a clear business strategy, that you could be making more money.